The connection between the truck and trailer is the most critical point of failure. If this isn't 100% positive lock, you are towing a disaster. All right, so Andreas, now that we have it positioned to where it should go right down on it, we're gonna lower it. Okay. Now you gotta lower it down. This is the most important part because if you don't have this fully in, you can't insert your pin. So we need to make sure this is fully in. Once you got that fully in, you take your pin, you slide it through, you put this on, and now you try your tug test. Your tug test, you're gonna redo this. And the purpose of this is, as you're lifting it, you'll see if it comes off your truck or not. And if it stays on, you got it right. That's what we're hoping for. And so as you can see, it's still connected to the truck, not going anywhere, you're connected fine. And so whenever you know you're working, please make sure you have stable footing. As you have stable footing, the more safe it is for you. Stable footing. A lock coupler is the foundation of a trailer safety. We use a safety pin to ensure the connection stays positive even through rough terrain. Let's move to the chains.